Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to set up the device for the first time. So, at first we need to tap this dot and select our language over here. The default is based on our region, but I will select here English and tap next. Now we have to set our region, accept the legal information, and here now we can set up our device in another. I won't do that, so I need to skip. Here as you can see we have connect to Wi-Fi, and we need to tap on Wi-Fi network and here enter our password. Tap OK. Next. And now our phone is here getting ready. Now, as you can see, here we have copy apps and data. We can tap here don't copy. Now we can sign to our Google account, and I will skip this process. Here tap skip again. And now we can set our unlock method, either password, fingerprint or face. I'll skip this thing too. We can do this later in our settings. Here we can tap more, and accept. Here next. And now we need to select our browser, which is the default one. I select Google Chrome and more. So that's default. Engine, Google, of course. So that's default. Don't download any here applications because this is bloatware, uncheck that. And now our phone is getting ready again. Here now you can now enter your SIM card. If you don't have your SIM card, you don't have to really insert that. But if you do, insert it right now and tap next, agree. Here we have screen color mode, it can be natural or standard. Next. Gestures or buttons as a navigation for our device, also gestures. And now we are all set. We'll be now redirected to the system itself. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.